What's good, people? It's Bryce here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how I became a 100k funded trader. Alright guys, so I want to show you how I became a 100k funded trader on Topstep. I recently passed 250k accounts, and I'll just be going through how I actually became funded. So as you can see here, we have my second 50k account here, which I recently passed on the 27th of August. A 46% win streak, so basically 50-50, and the average winning trade was just under 1.3k, with the average losing trade being about 1%. So I was basically risking 1% to make 3% on every single trade. And as you can see here, I only trade the Nasdaq. That's the only thing I trade at the moment. And yeah, passed within 7 days. And here's the challenge that I actually did before this. So this is the first account that I actually passed this within 6 trading days. Again, same formula. Win rate was a bit higher, just under 60%. Average winning trade was $820, with the average losing trade being $360, with the average risk to reward being a 2.27R. Basically, I was risking 1% to make 2% per trade. Also, as you can see here, I'm now funded on Alpha Capital, and I've got my certificates here. So my first certificate for passing phase 1, and then my second certificate passing phase 2, which now verifies that I'm a funded trader on Alpha Capital. Alpha Capital challenge took a bit longer to pass. The reason being is because I didn't want to actually rush this challenge. I wanted to take my time with this challenge. This is actually the second challenge that I passed, with the Topstep one being the first one. I also want to show you how it looks on TradeZella. So this is the Alpha Capital challenge that I took. Started it a couple of months ago in May and passed in August, which is quite a long time to pass a challenge in my opinion. But there's 2 approaches you can take to passing challenges. You can take your time with the challenge, or you can try pass as quick as possible. In my opinion, I like to try pass the challenges as quick as possible, then I can spend all the time that I need on the funded phase. On this challenge I took more time, and yeah, this was actually the trades that I took in August to pass the challenge. As you can see, in August I reduced my trade frequency down. There was times that I traded a bit too much in 1 week. In my opinion, I think trading less is better, because not only are you minimizing your risk to the markets, but because you're minimizing your risk, you'll be taking higher quality trades. So your win rate also increases with that as well. And what I've noticed is when I take about 3 or more trades per week, it ends up being a losing week. So I like to minimize my trades to about 3 a week. Sometimes I don't even take 3, I might take 1 trade. Some weeks I don't even get a setup. So yeah, it all depends on how the market conditions are. If they're really good market conditions, then I most likely would take more trades. So just going more into how I passed the Topstep, I actually risked more who only expose themselves once, twice, 3 times per week. Also, you have to remember that the more you trade, the more straining that can be to your mind. You have to remember that we are human at the end of the day. We can be prone to burnout, we can be prone to fatigue. So I think trading less is better. Not only do you need to have an edge in the market, but you also have to have your mental edge as well. It requires a lot of focus, and over trading throughout the week can have an effect on how you view the market, because there's always a setup, but not every setup is a setup that we should be taking. I only take the high quality ones, which is why I actually trade less. So if you guys like the video, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be out with more videos like this one. So yeah, it's Bryce and I'm out.